This is a brief overview of the iRODS integration in RSpace. RSpace is a digital research data management platform for the active research phase. It features an electronic laboratory notebook and a sample management system. RSpace integrates with a wide variety of research and data management tools across the entire research data lifecycle. To enable iRODS manage file stores in RSpace, an administrator needs to configure iRODS as a file store for their RSpace instance. As soon as the connection details are provided in the System Configuration menu for institutional file systems, iRODS becomes available for RSpace users. Once set up by the RSpace administrator, RSpace users can add specific locations on their institutional file systems for convenient access in the RSpace gallery. The RSpace gallery provides access to all files uploaded to RSpace, as well as access to remote file stores. After authorizing themselves for their institutional file system, RSpace users can access and download the contents of the given remote storage location from the gallery and create links in their electronic laboratory notebook. For example, when documenting their research, researchers either attach files from their local machine to their electronic notebook, or they can create links to specific items in an institutional file system. In the case of iRODS, these links utilize iRODS file identifiers to ensure that links don't break and continue to work, even when the file has been moved to another physical location managed by iRODS. Such file store links are also taken into account when researchers export their RSpace documents either locally or to a repository. In the export flow, they can choose whether to include the linked files in the export and ensure their availability. The files linked in the corresponding documents are then fetched from the remote location and included in the export bundle. Since RSpace version 1.99, we've added further functionality to allow RSpace users to move or copy files from RSpace to iRODS. When a researcher documents an experiment in RSpace, they often add files, such as images or data, from their local machine to their RSpace documents. These files can be then found in the gallery along with their RSpace metadata. After selecting one or more files from the RSpace gallery, RSpace users can click on the Move to iRODS button to open a dialog in which they can specify where to move or copy the corresponding files to and authenticate themselves on their iRODS server. Users can choose to retain a copy of the corresponding file in RSpace. Once authorized, the files are transferred. This new functionality allows RSpace users to store any research data they collect in RSpace in their institution's file store system for archiving or sharing with users outside of their RSpace instance.